Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Playstore in your laptop or your PC, right? So first of all, you have to just open any of the browser and just go to Google. And here, once you are in the Google, write Playstore and press the enter, right? And here you will see this official link of Google Play. Just click on that, right? And here you can see this is Google Play, and once you can just search it over whatever apps you want to install it, right? So you can just search, for example, let's say Instagram, and here you can just press on install and it will get installed in your phone. But how to just put it over your desktop, right? So on the top right side corner you can see a three icon, right? You can see the three lines, that is menu icon. Just click over that, and here just click on more tools, and here you will see an option that is create shortcut, right? Here you can see, and here you can just write whatever you want, Play Store, and open as Windows, and just you have to click on create, right? And here you can see how do you like to pin Play Store to your taskbar. You can do this if you want to, right? And even though if I just close it, you can see that here it is, and if I double tap here, you can see this is open, right? And here you can just open it whatever you want. So guys, this is the way where you can install Play Store in your laptop or PC very easily. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.